Did you know that your credit score can decide how much interest you'll pay on your education? A high score can save you a lot of money, while a low score can make your loan very expensive or even get rejected. Hi everyone, I'm Simran, co-founder at Epicred and your trusted guide for the education loan. In this video, I'll take you through what a credit score is, why it plays a big role in getting an education loan, and how you can improve it to secure the best loan deal. So if you are planning to study abroad or even in India, stay with me till the end because this could save you a lot of money. Now let's start with the basics first. A credit score is simply a number that tells the lender how good you are at handling money. It usually ranges from 300 to 900, and the higher your score, the better your chances of getting a loan approved. If your score is above 750, lenders will see you as a responsible borrower and offer you a lower interest rate. But if your score is lower than 650, things can get tricky because lenders may either charge you a high interest rate or in some cases reject your application. But here is something important. If you are a student applying for your first education loan, you probably don't even have a credit score yet. That's completely normal. In such cases, lenders don't just look at your score. Instead, they check the credit history of your co-applicant, usually your parent or the guardian. If your co-applicant has a strong credit score, it increases your chances of getting better loan terms. But if the score is low, you may face some challenges. Now, you might be wondering, why do banks care so much about credit scores? The reason is very simple. A credit score helps the lenders decide whether they can trust you to repay the loan or not. A high credit score means you have handled the credit well in the past, while a low score could signal the financial struggle. So when lenders see a high score, they feel confident about giving you a loan at a lower interest rate. But if a score is low, they consider it risky. So they either increase the interest rate or ask for additional security like collateral. At Epicred, we compare education loan from multiple lenders, including the banks, NBFCs and international lenders. No matter what your credit score is, we'll help you find the best loan deals. In fact, there have been cases where students were denied education loans due to low credit score. Few years back, a student's loan was rejected by a bank even though he had a job offer guaranteeing future income. He took the matter to the Karnataka High Court, which ruled in his favor. This proves that while credit scores are important, they shouldn't be the only deciding factor. If you ever face a loan rejection due to your credit score, don't lose hope. There are still ways to get your education loan. Don't worry, a team can guide you what to do next. So now let's talk about something just as important. What happens to the credit score after you get the loan? Your education loan doesn't just help your study, it also affects your credit score for years to come. If you repay your EMIs on time, your credit score will improve, making it easier for you to get another loans in the future, like the home loans or the car loan. But if you miss the payments or default on your loan, your credit score will drop, which will create problems later when you would need financial assistance in future. Also, if your co-applicant has other unpaid loans, this can impact your loan approval too. So managing your loan wisely is very crucial. Now, if your credit score is not where you want it to be, don't worry, there are ways to improve it. The first step is to check your credit report for any errors. Sometimes incorrect information lowers your score unfairly, and fixing those mistakes can give you an instant boost. Next, if you have any unpaid debt, clearing them can improve your score significantly. Another great strategy is applying for your education loan with a co-applicant who has a strong credit history, as it increases your chances of getting better loan terms. And if your score is too low to get an unsecured loan, you can consider applying for a loan collateral such as property or fixed deposits, which can make lenders more comfortable. Apart from this, at Epicred, we help you find the lenders who accept the low credit score applications as well. So you don't need to worry about it even if your scores are low. So now you might be wondering, how do you find the best education loan for your credit score? Every lender has different rules, and while some are strict about the credit score, others are more flexible. This is where Epicred makes things easy for you. With our loan comparison tool, you can quickly check which banks and NBFCs match your credit profile, compare interest rates and find the best loan options without running from one lender to another. No confusion, no wasted time, just clear, reliable information tailored to your needs. If you want to see the latest loan options based on your credit score, you can also reach out to our expert counselors for the guidance. All the links are in the description. So to sum it up, your credit score plays a huge role in your education loan. A good score can get you lower interest rates and better loan terms, while a low score can make your borrowing expensive. But the good news here is you can always improve your score, and even if it's not perfect, there are still ways to get the financial support. And remember, Epicred is here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert tips on education loans. And if you have any sort of questions, drop them in the comments. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.